coffee for the morning. I'm getting ready for work, so I thought I would do a little intro and I thought I would vlog my day today. So I'm going to just curl my hair, get ready for work, and I'm only going to be there for a few hours. I think my friend's going to be picking me up after I'm done. I think we're going to go shopping. So I'm going to go curl my hair while I drink my coffee because I can't do anything without it. Okay, so my hair is done. I like to curl it and then I straighten the ends so it kind of flows better. I have a weird thing going on right here, but that'll have to stay for now. I'll try and fix it in the car because I don't have time, but I'm gonna get changed now and do my makeup. Also, what I put on for my skincare in the morning is just this Pep Start eye cream from Clinique. My eyes need it, clearly. These are what my under eyes look like in the morning. And then this is the moisturizer I'm using right now. I really like it. It is the Vichy, that word. That's what it looks like, and it's really nice and moisturizing. Come on, Coda. You ready to go outside? It's a winter wonderland. Okay, I'm now rushing. I did my makeup, got ready, and now I'm off to work. So my husband's driving me since my friend is going to be picking me up from work. I love you. I love you. Be right back. I say be right back to him and then I don't know why, it just calms him down, but it works. So yeah, my husband's driving me because my friend's picking me up, but I will see you guys after work. Just got off of work and my BFF picked me up. This is Sydney.
Hi.
She's been in some of my videos before, but I deleted them.
She doesn't like me.
My eyebrows were so bad in it, and I was being really annoying. We did the Bean Boozled challenge and I was the most annoying person that I've ever been before.
It's you all the time, but
Go away.
I should have got gas.
She's getting food because she's hangry.
We're like, I need coffee.
Oh yeah. I can't believe that you actually started off the day without coffee. So I think we're gonna go to Costco and Michael's, right?
Yeah. I
So
think it's stuff for the birdie.
if I'm brave enough, then I'll vlog in the store. Maybe not Costco. That would be too hectic.
That's too busy.
Yeah. And we've got her baby in the back. We're getting stuff for his first birthday party. So I guess Starbucks is gonna be our first stop.
See you at Starbucks. That's what the cool vloggers do. Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. What can I get for you tonight?
Can I get a, what do you want, sorry?
A venti.
A venti.
Dragon fruit mango.
Dragon
refresher.
fruit. Dragon fruit. Refresher, please. Sorry. An extra shot of espresso.
Sure.
And can I also get the chicken and double smoked bacon sandwich, please?
We don't have it.
Oh.
We're really low on sandwiches today.
What's-
We only have our grilled cheese and our spinach with our wraps and our egg whites.
Okay, I won't get anything then.
Okay.
I messed you up.
Yeah, I did. Camera.
You know what? I messed myself up because I never get lemonade in it. And I said yeah.
Oh, they have chicken strips here.
Why is autofocus? Oh my. Do they have chicken strips here?
Weird.
I got a venti. Is it good?
Ooh.
I never get it with the lemonade. I just was stressed out, so I said, yeah. We're going through the Tim Hortons drive-thru now because she's starving.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I please get... I'll get the turkey bacon club, please.
You want cheese on that?
No, thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's good, thanks.
Okay, I got a venti mango dragon fruit refresher, and I get it with super light ice, so I can get lots of drink. Doesn't taste bad with lemonade.
I like it. The thing I like about Tim Hortons drive-thrus is there is a garbage normally.
Yeah. And then you can dump all your
Except for
trash.
no, there's not. The salted caramel mocha, I think, with half sweet and extra shot of espresso. Please tell me you're not gonna post this, because I feel like it's gonna be. You okay?
Holy crap! Don't make me laugh when I'm drinking!
Sorry.
No.
I didn't know that was gonna make you laugh. I think you're exaggerating a little
No,
bit.
I have to, it's in my throat. Ew. I don't like this shirt with these sunglasses.
The sunglasses are just a little crazy to begin with.
Oh!
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Bet you want to. Everything will be alright. I hate how you can see my double chin.
What are you talking about?
Like you can.
No, you can't.
This is a horrible angle for me.
This is a straight on angle. What better angle do you want? You want me to turn it like that? I mean, if you're insecure. No.
Because she talks about having a girl, Audrey.
Her name's Ari. Herself.
No.
She says Ari. Oh.
No,
Yes.
wait for it. Wait for it. No, it says Aubrey. Wait for it.
Talking about herself.
No, wait for it.
Ari.
She taught me love.
She's talking about herself.
Heck,
Michael's
no.
is right.
Where's Michael's?
Right. Right.
Yeah, it's 18 bucks for the roll of sparkle and it's buy one get one 50, so. And if I can't find this style for extra large.
Yeah, if you want it to be like, well, you and Brandon can be those, and Jackson can be a different one.
I think this would just look so much cuter with what I want. Hey? Are you in the rocker? Didn't bring my gift cards, of course.
You have gift cards and cash that you are not using.
Yeah, but I have actual gift card Walmarts.
Plain white onesies.
Perfect, but I only
I like how
15 of them. Okay.
It's not 15 of them. It's $15. All out. What's this, Sydney? Don't be rude.
Sorry. Do you think this is too big?
I don't know. You tell me.
Hi. Hi. Where have I been? Where have I been, huh? Oh, hello. Oh, it's just so much. Oh. Coda. Missed ya. Missed ya. Missed ya. Oh. Okay, back home now. Not going to do much for the rest of the day. Just going to my parents' for supper in an hour. It's 6:30 now. Supper's at 7:30. But yeah, we just went to Costco was our last stop. Our first one was Michael's, then we went to Walmart, then Costco. But I didn't want to vlog in Costco because it's way too busy. So yeah, back home now. Now I'm just going to change and wait for supper. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Oh, look at that.